Buongiorno from our home in Sicily. We've been to a wedding. We've been to a massive, beautiful 50th birthday party. We're going to show you scenes in just a bit. And of course, we've been doing tours with some people that we're going to introduce you to.
You know, Esther, before we go off to all these celebrations, the big celebration in my mind is going to be in the middle of the week after the airing of the show. It's going to be your birthday. And I'm hoping when we're in Casa Lamare next week, we have some video available for this magnificent party, allegedly, that we're going to have, right?
Grazie mille.
And she's going to have a brand new birthday dress on. You should see her birthday dress. That's going to be for next week. That'll be a lot of fun.
All right, so let's go to the birthday party of our dear friend Gabriella, who turned 50. We've been friends with them for a long time, and it was just so great celebrating with family and friends. And this was, let me tell you, one of the most amazing parties I've ever been to in my life.
Just another Sunday, huh? Huh, Esther?
What a beautiful day. Here we are at the putting green golf course, soon to be golf course, driving range, at our dear friend's 50th birthday. This is how we do it.
People are just arriving. Sunday food.
Let me see Mount Etna. Let's see what Mount Etna is doing over there.
And of course, there's Vanessa's mom. There's Etna. And one of the most important things of today, my pal the bartender makes me a Bloody Mary. Way to go!
Every single piece here has some kind of a meaning. This is what you call a tasteful display. Now that's what I call a beautiful board of cheese. Formaggio. There's the salmon. Wow, that looks good.
Per lei signora? Prego.
Involtini di pesce spada. Che sono?
Questi sono dei paccheri con ragù di cernia e bottarga di torno. E poi c'è un po' di pomodorino e del finocchietto fresco.
Questo risotto con che?
Risotto con asparagi e favette con del sapore delle zezze di limone.
Seriously, it's probably one of the best parties I've been to. Food's great, the band is just unbelievable. But the most important thing is after you have a bite to eat, you come over here and then you just say, pinch me, I'm here. It's unbelievable.
That is the biggest cake I've ever seen. Wow. Typical sweets. Semi-freddo. And there's that cake.
You know, I understand, Esther, that the brothers just signed a deal with their hotel in Castiglione, right?
In Picciolo.
In Picciolo, the golf course there. They are now associated, I believe, with Marriott. So I wanted
Hilton.
Excuse me, Hilton. So I want to wish both Francesco and Andrea the best of luck with this new collaboration. That place up there is one of the nicest golf courses that I've ever seen. And this driving range really isn't a driving range.
It's so fun.
It's so much more. They have the best pizza in the whole area.
Driving range, putting green, and a place for Pilates. Speaking of, we are seriously thinking about doing a golf wellness tour together for next spring. So if you guys have any interest, write us. Anyway, we also had, and by the way, we're touring during this whole time. So while we were at the party, we had a couple people here as well. And one night we got to go to a wedding of our dear friend Gianmarco, and that was beautiful as well.
You know, that wedding with Gianmarco was probably the most elegant outdoor, I think it's called a holiday club, something
Yeah, I
like
think
that.
so.
In Arci Castello or Arci
There's
Trezza.
so many cute places like
Oh
that.
my God, what a beautiful, elegant night I had. That's what I wanted to say about that. Let's go
Let's
over
go.
there and let's see what it's about.
Buonasera, buonasera, buonasera. From
See,
this.
I can clean up. We're at a wedding tonight.
At this beautiful location, and take a look. This is where the reception is. Look at Alfred in a suit. What the heck? And here we are waiting for the husband and the wife. They're our good friends, Gianmarco and Rosella. So there you go. Al, you want to say something? We see the back of your head.
Took me 25 minutes to find my sport jacket. It's the second time I've worn it in 20 years, and damn it if it still doesn't fit. Yeah! How do you like this place for a wedding? This place over here where you're seeing all these beautiful tents with the fountain and so forth. This is where we're going to have our appetizers. And then when we go into the outdoor dining room, which is over there, we're going to have a nice, it's going to be a very intimate wedding. These are our good friends, our friend Gianmarco, and a very dear friend of Esther's. So here it is, and I'm really happy that I came here this evening.
Eccoli qua i nostri sposi, signori, li accompagniamo ancora una volta. Applausi!
Di decesso.
You know what I love about this place is that you see everybody here. Right now they're having some appetizers. Here's what I love about this place. See everybody here? They have the exact same gene pool that I do. Now I've been to 3 weddings, 3 funerals, a graduation, and 2 baptisms. And I'm just amazed what wonderful people they are and how friendly they are. I'm really happy that Gianmarco invited me here tonight. Awesome. And look at this one. The beauty of them all. Okay, great appetizers at the other park. Now we're over here for the dinner. I'm telling you, these Sicilians, they know how to throw a shindig, that's for sure. People are just filing in. I gotta tell you, weddings, parties, graduations, it's fundamentally different here. It really is. Geez, I love Sicily.
What a great month of May, and we are looking forward to kicking June off with a blast. Of course, my birthday, and we're going to be touring on the West Coast with some folks. So, of course, there's going to be highlights.
You know, Esther, I noticed a couple of funky things about both Vanessa's party and Gianmarco's wedding. The women were elegantly dressed, every one of them, but they had on matching sneakers. Almost
That's a new thing.
everybody had on a, say if it's blue, right? They would have a pair of blue sneakers on. I never saw that.
Those are like tennis shoes, yeah.
Oh, yeah, tennis shoes or something. That's like one huge thing. The second huge thing is, I can never wear an Italian suit. I would look like a stuffed salami or a stuffed sausage. These guys wear them skin tight. Their suits. You know, over here it's like, I couldn't even breathe. But they look good because they're all skinny. I think that's
Alzappa, I have to tell you, I truly enjoyed going to the birthday party and the wedding. It was just
Oh, they were
really
two
fun.
great places,
It was
without a
it was
doubt.
like a mini date with you. I feel like I go work in the morning, come home late at night. I don't even see you. It was like a nice little period to be with you.
How about Esther dancing, huh? That was cool, right? She's a good, she does a lot of things well, but one of the things that she does very well, besides playing the tuba, I mean, not the tuba, what's that thing?
Cello.
The cello, is she likes to dance, and with my bad knees, I can't dance that much. But I actually danced with you at dances, I remember,
Yes, you
for
did.
about 7 or 8 steps before it gave out. But with any case,
It was very nice.
the last thing I want to say about both those things
Yeah.
is the following, okay? Since I've been here the last 23 years, I've been to baptisms, I've been to confirmations, I've been to a lot of wakes of our friends that have passed away, all the celebrations, weddings, of course, and it's probably more in Sicily than I have in the United States in the last 30 years, to be frank with you, okay? But the way that they do things here, there's a tinge of authenticity besides elegance, right?
Yeah.
I mean, people are genuinely either happy or celebratory, or in the
It's a
case of
celebration.
it's just an amazing situation here.
Yeah, a lot of fun. All
Lot
right,
of
now let me tell you about our dear friend Phil's daughter and granddaughter, Jenn and Talia, who came with us, and we've been doing tours of Sicily, and boy, what a fun time we've had with them, taking them all over. And by the way, their ancestral hometown is Rometta in Gemelio in the province of Messina. We've done a whole episode on that town last year with Phil and his wife. But anyway, here are Talia and Jenn. Well, look at you. Aren't you Sicilianed out, rocking that outfit you bought? So, Sicily, did the Sicily bug bite you?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. We had a lot of fun.
What did you enjoy the most?
Probably the beach. The beach. Hanging out in the water.
beach and Rometta and just being totally at peace here.
Totally at peace. And what about the historic sites?
It was cool.
What was your favorite city? Don't say Taormina.
My favorite city? I liked Catania and I liked Giardini, Naxos. I thought that was really... There were different vibes, but...
You're a student of history.
Yeah.
What name some fascinating facts that you learned?
Trying to think. Sicily was conquered 16 notable times, and then there's a bunch of churches from like the 1300s, and then Saint Agatha was the patron saint of Catania, and the way she was.
No, you're right. You're right.
So.
What did you think?
I'm just completely blown away. I want to live here, so I'm trying to figure out how to live here. That's my goal now.
Favorite foods?
Aglio olio.
Aglio olio. Cannoli, of course. What's going to be our final meal? Oh, wait, tell
We
me.
went to Bambar and had granita.
Ooh.
Really
Yeah,
good.
that was good.
That was awesome.
It was a
The
winner.
linen shop was
And then-
great.
The linen shop.
The leather shop was great.
Yeah, and the jewelry store.
The jewelry stores were
The
great.
whole thing.
And the beach was so
And the boat
beautiful.
day. The dolphins.
Oh, the dolphins.
Yeah, the
and
dolphins.
Giuliano and his father,
Yeah.
and all of the history they gave us about the ocean and the rocks and the walls and everything we saw. And
Yeah. That was awesome.
A trip of a lifetime, huh?
Yeah.
You guys are coming back.
Yeah.
many to come.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much to
you.
you and Alfred, and we had such a wonderful time.
Safe
You
trip.
made Sicily
Right.
come alive for us.
Aw,
Thank
thank you. Safe trip, and we'll see you back here. Now let's go chin chin. Let me see what you buy. What you buy?
She took them home. Aren't they so cute?
These are cute. You got a lot of fun stuff.
I know. Like Hugo Spritz,
Oh,
but that's because
yum.
I like citrus.
There's her aglio olio. Let me see your pesto. Ooh, yum yum. Gone. You did a good job.
Thank you.
What are we having?
Chocolate and lemon.
And what the heck is this over here? It's like a humongous brioche. World's biggest Cannoli. Well, no, it's not the biggest. I've seen bigger. Limone. Are you excited? You have your canola. Oh, look at that canola. Your finer canola.
If I'm gonna spend money and take time off of work and invest, it needs to make an impact. And this has made a lasting impact.
That's awesome. And there's your final hurrah.
And there's my
Final hurrah.
signing out.
Arrivederci.
I'll be back.
How does it feel to be here where your grandfather left?
Super pretty. Yeah.
In the middle of nowhere.
It's amazing they could get up here and live. It's so far. It's so beautiful.
And they left all of this.
Yeah, they left all of this. Which is crazy that they even knew how to get out.
That
No map.
No map, just zigzags.
I put it on bread like butter.
Oh my God, are you like super excited?
Yeah. Ah, it's hot.
Your pasta alla norma. Classico.
È carino il lido.
Molto carino, very cute. But look at this water. I mean, it is beautiful. A little bit windy, but albeit beautiful. I just stopped at this little cute place on the side of the street. And they've got some really good looking snacks and also some local sweets. But this is what I like to do, off the beaten path. Here he is in his little truck and he's selling the local fruit. Questa arancini, scacce, vero?
Sì.
Pane. Smile. Let me tell you about that kid, Talia. She's going places. She wants to be an attorney, and she asked some really great questions. Both of them did, but it was really great because intellectually we had some great discussions about history, culture, everything. And then we just plain out had a lot of fun. They went boating, we went to the beach, we visited some towns, and yes, we did a lot of shopping.
Well, could I say one thing about Talia, first of all? She's a cum laude graduate of Arizona State University. The kid's smart as a whip. That's number one. I was very impressed with her. We had a nice discussion about law school. She asked my opinion. I told her about A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I hope she keeps them, in her mind. But her mom, Jennifer, now that's a special woman. Okay, the old how does that thing go? The whole chip doesn't fall that far from the block, because her father, that's Jen's father, that's Talia's grandfather, is my pal Phil, and she's a special woman. She's a very successful realtor in Tempe, Arizona as well. And I can't wait. Yeah, I can't wait for these ladies to come back. You know why? Not for me, because they shop like hell. As a matter of fact, the Sicilian economy went up about 5 percentage points, right? Between her and Jenn Kaufman, who came here over Christmas time. Those two women could single-handedly solve the economy here.
How about the Galveston, Texas women?
Oh my God, our friends from Galveston, Texas.
Anyway.
We're talking about some serious shoppers. Serious shoppers.
Anyway, Honey Bunny, I'm looking forward to going to Castelmare del Golfo with you. We're going to be there for a couple of weeks and going to be touring. And what about you guys? What are your plans for the summer? After that, I'm taking a break.
Well, listen, this is the only tour, quote unquote, that I actually do stuff. Honestly, I go there for the whole time, and you could tell it's summer because I have on my Borsalino seersucker cap, which, by the way, time to buy another one.
All right.
That's number one. And
Well, your
I'm
birthday's coming
drinking my Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee.
Well,
so this is
ching to that.
summertime, baby, summertime. I want to wish congratulations to my granddaughter, Noe, who's graduating from Newburyport High School in Massachusetts today.
Hello, that's her birthday on June 6th
And
as
on
well.
June 6th, it's the same day as her for birthday. So Noe, sweetie pie, I love you very much. Congratulations. Good luck at Quinnipiac College in Connecticut next year. And that's what I wanted to say.
On
love
that
you.
note, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on another video of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao.